Hey yo, what's good? It's your boy Water J, MW Flair, the Flair Ground where call me. Today, we back with another video. Yes, sir, clap it up. This plan is getting long and in the way, Lord Jesus. Anyways, man, clap it up, man. Oh my God, we back down like SmackDown with another video. Y'all see what the frick? Hold on. Oh yeah, that's tough. It's been a minute, man. We got lined up and everything. You feel me? It's been a minute. I feel good, man. New haircut makes you just feel so much better, man. And I'm feeling great to drop this video. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I took a little break off from doing like real content, like concerning like stuff that I buy and all that. Like all that has just mainly been reviews and all that and promos. So I'm actually glad to come back to y'all with another video, man. I love y'all so much as always, man. I kind of miss dropping for y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all be messing with me and turning me up, man. I've been recognized on other platforms and everything. Like, it's special to me, bro. Really just seeing that, even though I'm still not even that big. I'm only, I think, almost 506 subscribers, I want to say. But yeah, man, enough of that talking, though. I just wanted to say that and get out the way. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. We getting closer and closer to 1,000. We already passed 500, past 550. We're almost at 600, man. Just keep going, man. I want to get to that 1K mark, so yeah. Without further ado, let's get into it, man. And before we get into it, though, actually, no, I'm not even gonna say that. I forgot. This is gonna be stupid, but yeah, let's just get into this, man. What y'all really came here to see. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. So it kind of did matter a little bit, but you feel me? But in this little box right here, we already opened it already, man. You feel me? Because, you know, I was supposed to do this video when I first got them, which was on, I want to say, Wednesday is when I got them, but different stuff just happened. Cooking for Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving have. I never just got around to doing the video. So today's Friday when I'm doing this. I got these Wednesdays, but as y'all can see by the box, baby blue box, and by the front, it's a Dior. You feel me? Christian Dior. Yeah, no, we gonna stop. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Anyways, man, as y'all can see, we got Dior box. Turn around, you feel me? Woo, we got a B22. Hold on. And now I got these off Grail for a steal of a price, you feel me? But let me just show y'all these real quick first, though. We got the Dior B22 red and white. Oh my God! Woo! Boy, my first pair of real Dior's and first pair of B22s. This ain't the colorway, the one I want. I mean, let me not say that. I had a different, everybody knows when I was trying to get my first pair of B22s, it was the baby blue one, the white ones, but I actually seen these and I was like, I like these a lot. And I ain't gonna lie, I finally found them because these came out, I think I want to say 2019, 2020 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, these come out, I was like, yeah, I gotta have these, bro. These are super hard. Just look at them, bro. That B22. And man, they look clean, look like they brand new, right? They not, right? So they're worn like once, twice, you feel me? But guess how much I paid for them? After shipping and tax and everything, I only paid $503 for these. Shout out to bro who shipped it to me, feel me, everything. And I bought them off Grail, like I said. I don't know if I said actually. But yeah, I bought these off Grail for $503, man. Grail be coming in clutch with the steals and everything. I'll be finding a lot of stuff, man, especially for me. So yeah, man. And these already got authenticated because, you know, well, he sent them to eBay. They got authenticated, you can see already before. He put them on Grail, and yeah, Grail are authenticated anyway. So I ain't worried about that at all, you feel me? Because Grail, I trust Grail because they almost like eBay as well, you feel me? So yeah, got the authentication process, and I don't buy anything off Grail unless it has the authenticated little tag on there. But yeah, man, these are so hard, bro. Like, oh my God. I already tried them on. I ain't gonna lie. What they say about Dior is kind of true. Like, it's not too small for me because, like, they say, like, Dior runs small. It's not too small for me because my foot is, like, skinnier, but, like, I could definitely see myself going to like a 12.5 or 13. I don't even know if they do half size, but I could definitely see myself going to 13 in these. So if you are looking to get these and you don't have like a skinnier foot or wider foot or whatever, I would definitely say go a half size or full size up because they do run a little bit small. I did not know that about it until I seen in the description of a couple people. But yeah, shout out to bro who sold me these though. He's a real cool dude. I already tried these on and everything, as you see by the loose lace and everything. These are super tough, bro. I'm saving these, you feel me? For my birthday outfit, February, you feel me? When I turn 19, wait till y'all see the flick. 2 people right now know what I'm finna wear for my birthday with these, but yeah, man, I got something decent coming, man. So definitely be on the lookout for that, man, for sure. Yeah, man, these are super. My first pair of Dior's, real Dior's at that too. Like everybody know, I got two Dior's, like a pair of B22, those like a monogram logo print one all over it, and then the B30s, the white ones. I got those from free from companies, rep companies. You feel me? So yeah, man, these are my first pair of real B22s. I'm gonna put the little receipt on there so y'all think I'm capping. Everybody know about me. I don't have nothing to lie about, bro. I get fake stuff from companies, you feel me? But I'll never promote it as real or nothing. I don't even wear it out in public, honestly. Or if I do, it's like a quick errand or run, you feel me? It's never, I don't post pictures up there or nothing. I do about real stuff. But yeah, man. These are super tough, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta get a couple more B22s. These are just so hard, bro. They made my mom, all people change their mind, say, oh my God, they look better in person. Man. But yeah, man, he's super tough, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm really proud. I'm lost of words looking for these, bro. These so sexy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And I don't know if y'all want. What? I think we'll give y'all a little try on it, you feel me? Just so y'all see how they looking. Like I do got on some Palm Angels sweatpants, you feel me? They are a little big. They're size large, even though I could really get like a medium, you feel me? And we got a little polo, you feel me? A little slight stuff, you feel me? But yeah, man, let's get a little try on for y'all, man, so y'all can see how they looking. That's gonna do it for the try on portion of this. Like I said, man, these are so tough, bro, and I really mess with these a lot, bro. I gotta get me a couple more pairs of these. I ain't gonna lie, these are super hard. Oh my God. And I ain't gonna lie, like I was saying, the original color I wanted in these when I first saw Dior B22s was the baby blue white ones. If you know what I'm talking about, you know, you feel me? If you know, you know. But yeah, man, but these just as hard. I'm not even gonna sit here and cap. Like, I like that I got these actually. You feel me? So yeah, man. Like I said, that's gonna do it for the end of this video though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm saying like I said, I really wasn't saying nothing. This is gonna do it for the end of this video, man. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick, and I do have another video coming after this. I'm pretty sure all the stuff's gonna get here before that does. So yeah, we're gonna have a little, you feel me, a little heat in the next 2 videos coming up. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Next 2 videos, we're gonna see. So be on the lookout for that, of course, as always. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below if you don't want to see next, man. You feel me? We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You feel me? Keep subscribing, man. Keep tuning in. You feel me, man? Because I really mess with y'all. And like I said, I wouldn't be here without y'all. I wouldn't be doing this and getting the stuff that I do. Because at the end that I do for y'all, I ain't gonna lie. And y'all keep me going with the little comments I can get on my channel and all that. Like, it really keeps me going. And I really love y'all for that. I appreciate y'all for that, as always. You feel me? So yeah, let's go wrap it up for this video. As always, I'll see y'all next video. Yeah.